Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the scope. Open Settings, tap Storage and note Used versus Available. Once done, target the biggest consumers, clear app cache and delete stale downloads. You should export photos and videos to cloud or a removable SD card before deleting on device. Make sure to sign into the same account for cloud transfers and enable automatic backups if you want continuous relief. This quick triage prevents accidental loss and sets up the next, deeper cleanup steps. You now remove space hogs. Open the Storage Manager and sort apps by size, then uninstall those you rarely use. Once you identify big media files or leftover APKs, use the Files app to move them to cloud or a computer. This keeps a copy while freeing local space. If an app holds critical data, archive or export it first. Once transfers finish, reboot the device to ensure temporary files clear, and the system recalculates available storage correctly. Finish by running system updates, and where supported, clear the system cache partition to remove low-level temporary files. If you still need more space, back up everything and perform a factory reset. Make sure cloud backups are complete and test a restore for one critical file. If problems persist, inspect for hidden app data or unwanted background downloads and run a malware scan. If storage reporting remains incorrect, file a support log with the device vendor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.